Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Bitcoin from Uphold to your Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're looking to secure your Bitcoin in a hardware wallet like Tangem, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresher, let's get started. First, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a verified Uphold account with some Bitcoin in it, and your Tangem wallet should be initialized and ready to receive funds. Open the Tangem app on your device to have your wallet address handy. This is crucial to avoid any errors. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Go to the Uphold website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your Bitcoin balance. Step 2. Select your Bitcoin holdings and look for the Withdraw or Send option. Click on it to start the process. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal details. This is where you paste your Tangem wallet address. Double check it carefully. Crypto transactions are irreversible. You can copy the address directly from your Tangem app. Step 4. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees that Uphold might display. Step 5. Review the transaction summary. Uphold will show you the details, including fees and the final amount. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. After confirmation, the transaction will be processed on the Bitcoin network. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Tangem wallet to confirm the Bitcoin has arrived. A quick tip: always use a secure connection and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. And remember, if you encounter any issues, Uphold's support or Tangem's resources can help. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Bitcoin from Uphold to your Tangem wallet in 2025. It's simpler than it sounds, and now you're one step closer to better crypto security. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.